Hello guys, today we are got a special treat for you. We are going to unwrap the power of Laravel Eager Loading. First of all, we have a dashboard there, and we have some post title, category, and the description. So if we go into the database, we can say there has categories and the post, many of post. So if we go into the code, so we can see there has a post model, and which is belongs to some category like the eloquent relationship. And we have a controller and the dashboard function where we pass all the post and in the view page. So you're seeing. So currently there is nothing wrong here, but there has a tricky issues which is must know for every developer for the SQL performance. Currently, when we are loading the post, mostly we have the we have the 60 post there, and the queries is 62, which is much, and many queries. And there we can see the request duration is 600 seconds, milliseconds. Sorry. So if we just add a eager loading there, like we can make this faster. Like we just say now we can load the pages. Wow, it's amazing. The query is 3 and it's almost half, and the performance is going so good. So what was happening before and what was happening now? Before it was for lazy loading, because in Laravel when you are doing the lazy loading, for every post the category is loading each time. But when we add the width there, and it's meaning that we are getting all the categories at a time and showing the post. Just learn how to make your Laravel application faster with eager loading. Try it out and let me know how much it improves your app performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more